It's used in AM broadcast stations, and basically breaks the audio band into 5 spectral bands and compresses each of them separately, which sounds like that would be atrocious, but it's pretty magical. It also does some pre-distortion of the waveform to compensate for what happens right in the power amplifier in the RF. And then finally, I run the signal into an Oraband parametric equalizer, the 622 Bravo, and graphic equalizers seem like a good idea, but it's just so much better to use a parametric for stuff like this. And then, the last piece in the chain is the Behringer Reverb, the Virtualizer Pro. It's just a tiny bit of reverb on the signal, which improves intelligibility. Just for grins, I'm going to turn that off now, so it's off now. No reverb now, and there it is, way up. And here's where I run at about 8. Most of the time you can barely tell it's in there. Finally, it goes into a mixer, the broadcast console, the Air 1 from Audio Arts Engineering. So that's working conditions here, Bill. Back to you, N3HQB from F5GG.